you plugging it in, Griffin?
Scared.
These are teeny tiny things.
Yeah, good job, Drake. Now plug the other one into the black part.
And I let it out.
You gotta plug the other side into the black part and then it'll light up. Griffin managed to.
There you got it.
Here.
It lit up.
Wait.
Okay, Griffin, what are you
Give me
doing?
the ground.
Taking it apart?
Yeah, just shorted the thing. Hopefully it's not like this. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not broken. Don't take those off, Griffin. Those are.